Hi students, good afternoon to all of you. You may be busy with your work during the holidays. At the same time, you may be getting some leisure time also. In this leisure time, let us do some activities related to mathematics. Dear students, I have a greeting card with me. This is the greeting card, this is the front side, and this is the back side. If you see, I have made this card into two pieces. These both the chords have equal area because when they overlap with each other, they exactly coincide with each other. So they have the equal area. Now what I am doing? You please see, I am taking this one chord out of these two. I am taking one chord and just I am horizontally folding it. Horizontally folding it, and you see I am horizontally folding it and just pasting it here. The stapler, I am stapling it here. And just so I have stapled this one and I made that chord, and by bending it horizontally I made a cylinder here. In the same way I am taking the other chord, and in this chord I am folding it in the vertical direction. In the vertical direction I am folding it. Again I am doing the same way. I am just attaching them in the same way. You see, I am attaching them in the same way. Just I put it and I staple the things here. I am putting a sellotape over it. The same way on this also I am putting the sellotape. So dear students, so what I have done, I have taken two chords which are of the equal area, and one I have folded it horizontally and another I have folded it in the vertically, making two cylinders. This is the cylinder which is made by bending it horizontally, and then this is the another cylinder which is made by bending it vertically. So if you see, I am able to put it inside this. That means what, we have same two cylinders which are made by two chords of equal area. Now let us see whose capacity, whose volume is more. Now let us see. I have with me today in the very hot sun, I cannot go out and search for the sand. Just that's why I am using the rice which I have at my home. I'm pouring the rice. This is the rice. I am pouring it. Now it is filled with the rice. Now this is filled with the rice. Now let us see the capacity of the other cylinder. I am keeping this other cylinder here. Now if I lift this one, if I lift this one, all the rice will come into the plate. This rice has come into this plate. Now I am pouring the same rice into this one. I am putting that rice in this second cylinder. Now let me see. what happens. Now if you see, this much rice is left over. This much rice is left over by using the first cylinder. That means in this cylinder, this capacity of this cylinder is more than this cylinder. Now it is totally filled, but whereas this much rice is left over here, that means it can hold more rice than this. Even though both the cots have the same surface area, the volumes vertically and horizontally, the volumes are different here. Now we can understand by this simple experiment. Now what is the why this difference comes? Now if you see, in this one the diameter is bigger than the diameter of this one. That is why whenever and wherever you see two cylinders of the same height, if its diameter is more, then definitely its capacity volume will be more. But whereas surface area of both these are equal. That is why if you go out this time, you observe wherever you find a water tank which is in the cylindrical shape, its diameter will be bigger. Why? If the diameter is bigger, it can hold more water. And at the same time, if you see any granaries in the villages, you can see the circular granaries made of metal or made of even the grass also, straw, not grass, straw. With the straw also they make. That means what? With a bigger diameter. If you make with the bigger diameter, then definitely it can hold a lot of things. Dear children, if you see, if you wish to see anywhere, you can find out mathematics. That is why even if you see in our home also utensils, the cooker, its diameter is more. The diameter is more, then it can hold more quantity. So the capacity of anything, it does not depend on its length, it depends on its diameter. Any cylindrical. So we find out so many cylindrical things in our home. So but that is why when you take a glass of water, then the diameter of the glass is less. You cannot drink water with a dish, with a utensil whose diameter is more. So that is why, for example, this is the bottle here. If I want to drink water, shall I fill this with water and shall I drink like this? No. We use the water bottles whose diameter is very less. So this is the application of this one. You find it out. Thank you, and you do such experiments at your home also during the vacation. Thank you.